my dear students, look here. Now already you studied subtraction, addition of algebraic expressions. You remember that like terms is to be added, like terms is to be subtracted. You studied it. Now we are getting to multiplication of algebraic expressions. First of all, multiplication of a monomial by another monomial. Look at here. 4a is a monomial, 3b is also monomial. 4a into 3b, 4 into 3, 12, a into b, a. See that? Once more, 4xy into 5x square y. Are you ready? Now only one term. One term means monomial. 4 into 5, 20. X into x square, x raised to 3. Remember, x into x square means x into x. X into x into x is equal to x. You studied that in a, that is exponents. Exponents. A raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n. 1 plus 2, 3. Already it is in 7th standard. And y into y. Y into y is equal to y square. Is it clear? One more. 3a square b square into 5a raised to 3 b raised to 4. 3 into 5, 15. A square into a raised to 3, a raised to 3 plus 2, 5. Remember that? A raised to 2, a raised to 3, a raised to 2 plus. B raised to 2, b raised to 4 is b raised to 6. Is it clear? Once again, 2a raised to 3b square into 5a raised to 2b raised to 2 into 3ab. Are you ready? All of them are monomials. 2 into 5 into 3, 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 3, 30. Are you ready? A raised to 3 into a raised to 2 into a. A means a raised to 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. Okay? B raised to 2 into b raised to 2 into b raised to 1. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. Remember that? A raised to 3 into a raised to 2 into a means a raised to 1. Appa idu koot. Adavole 2 into 1. So clear? That already you studied in 7th standard. Okay. Exponential rules. Are you ready? These are multiplication of monomial into monomial. Another monomial. Look at here. In a rectangle, the length and breadth are given as 3m and 2m. What is the area? Are you ready? That is length into breadth. 3m into 2m. 3 into 2, 6. M into m, m square. M into m, m square. Is it that? In another problem, length is equal to 2ab, breadth is equal to 4bc. Are you ready? We want to find the area. Are you ready? 2 into 4h, a, there is no a here. B into b, b raised to 2, c is not here but here. So what's your answer? 8b square c. Okay. In another problem it is given, length is equal to 3x, breadth is equal to 5x. Area, 3 into 5, 15, x into x, x square. Is it clear? In another problem, it is given length is equal to 4a raised to 3, breadth is equal to 5a raised to 2. What is the area? Area, length into breadth, 4 into 5, 20, a raised to 3 into a raised to 2 is a raised to 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Remember that? So, that is multiplication of a monomial by another monomial. Then another type, second type is multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. Look at here. 2a into 3a plus 2. This has two terms. This has only one term. Find the product of this. So, first line you write in brackets. Then 2a into 3a, 2 into 3, 6, a into a, s. Multiply this term by this term. Then 2 into 2, 4, a into b, a. So, what's your answer? 6a square plus 4a. One more question. Find the product of 3ab into 3a plus 2. Are you ready? 3 into 3, 9. A into a square, a b also. But where are b yellow? 3 into 2, 6. This is area. B into b, b square. A into B into B square. That's your answer. Multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. One more. 3AB into 2A minus 5C. Sorry. 2C minus 5C. That the variables are different. 3 into 2, 6. AB into C, ABC. 3 into 5, 15. AB into D, AB. Multiply this monomial by this term and that term. That is multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, multiplication of a monomial by another binomial. Then another, the third type is multiplication of a monomial by a polynomial. Look at here. 3ABC into 2A minus 5B minus 6C. Are you ready? Multiply this term by 3ABC, this term by 3ABC, this term by 3ABC. Here, here and here. 3 into 2, 6. A into A square. Easy. Easy. 3 into 5, 15. A badalya. B into B square. C. B into B square. Minus 3 into 6, 18. A in B badalya. C into C square. You look very carefully the video. Watch very carefully. Is it clear? One more example. Multiply, otherwise find the product of 5xy into 6x minus 7y. Are you ready? 5 into 6, 30. X into x square and y. Y wherever the minus 7 into 5, 35. X y into y square. Is it clear? One more. 5xy into 2x plus 3y minus 10. 5 into 2, 10. X into x square, then y. Plus 5 into 3, 15. X y into y square. Minus 10 into 5, minus 5 into 10, 50. Is negative also. And xy also. Multiply this monomial by 3 terms. Is it clear? That is multiplication of a monomial by a polynomial. Are you ready? One more example. 2AB into 3A plus 2B minus 5C. 3 into 2, 2 into 3, 6. A into A square, B also. 2 into 2, 4. A, B into B square. 2 into 5, 10. AB is not here. Is it clear the answer? Yeah. Multiply monomial by these 3 terms. Is it all? I will give you home assignments later. You watch the video very carefully, then answer the home assignment. Okay? All the best.